Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 24 June 2018, 17 of hour, 46 of minute and 15 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, who makes the best chainsaws? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about who makes the best chainsaws. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about who makes the best chainsaws. Chainsaw Reviews Review 2, Powlin P3816. Review 3, Craftsman 35170. Saw Reviews 4 Chainsaws for medium duty use. Review 4, Stihl MS 230CB. Review 5, Johnsard CS2240S. Review 6, Husqvarna 440E Series. Review 7, Echo CS400. Saw Reviews 3 Chainsaws for heavy-duty use. More items. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.